So before we can really understand the fundamentals of mathematics and decipher what really calculus it is essential for us to understand the number system. And so here I have types of numbers basically that I really want to go through. So starting off, the first one is natural numbers, and these really include all the counting numbers. So basically the set includes from 1 all the way till 4 and infinity. And so basically these are all the counting numbers, and you can say that this set is denoted by the letter or the symbol n. Moving on to the second one, we have whole numbers. And so with whole numbers, you see that these include all the counting numbers as well as 0. And this set is denoted as W. And so a very important fundamental in mathematics that you will see is that natural numbers are a subset of whole numbers. And this pattern will be seen throughout. Moving on to the third one, we have integers. And integers really include all the positive and negative whole numbers as well as 0. So it's important to understand that with integers, decimals and fractions are not part of the integer set. So it's really all the whole numbers, but including the negative ones. So the set includes -3, 0, 1, 2, all the way till infinity. And you see that this is denoted with the symbol or the letter Z. And with rational numbers, again, these are really any number that can be expressible in the form of P over Q, where P and Q are integers. So for instance, 1/2, 1/3, really anything. And recurring decimals are also a part of rational numbers. And so you see that, again, integers are a subset of rational numbers. However, there's a different set of numbers which include irrational numbers, and these really include all the radicals that you will see. So square root of 3, square root of 2, because those radicals don't have a defined pattern. So there's no defined recurring pattern that you will see. So those are irrational numbers, and those cannot be expressed in the form of P over Q. Also includes pi. Overall, you see that these two different types of numbers, rational numbers and irrational numbers, combine to form the domain of the overall number system, which consists of real numbers, as you can see here. And so what's important to understand is that every real number is a complex number. And what a complex number is, it's a plus or minus bi. So think about it. A real number such as 5 can be written in this form. For instance, you have to say that b is 0. If there is 0i, you can write this as 5 plus or minus 0i. So in this essence, you can say that every real number is a complex number, but the converse is not necessarily true. For instance, if you have something like 5 plus 6i, that cannot be classified as a real number. So overall, complex numbers really represent the overall number system. Thank you.